McCarthy HVAC Services, based in Mossel Bay, is a proudly family-owned and operated business built on trust, care and reliability. At McCarthy HVAC Services, we specialize in tailored air conditioning and HVAC solutions across the residential, commercial and industrial sectors, delivering comfort, efficiency and performance where it matters most. From homes to large-scale operations, our hands-on approach ensures every project is treated with precision, pride and personalized attention to detail. Driven by our commitment to quality service excellence, we stand behind every installation, every repair and every solution we provide. Because when it comes to your environment, comfort isn't a luxury, it's a standard we deliver.